India's clean energy future depends not only on adoption, but on homegrown innovation. At Loom, we believe trust begins at the source. Founded in 2018 by Amol Anand and Amod Anand to strengthen India's solar manufacturing ecosystem.
When we started this company almost 8 years ago, during that time the solar was not quite popular and only some of them were installing to the government projects. The rural people, particularly from the villagers, they were looking for such kind of the product, but this was not easily available. So this idea clicked to us that this is a very reliable, very affordable product. How can we help to those people who are living in the rural and particularly tier 3 city to provide such a very reliable energy.
From our humble beginnings in 2018, we grew from 0 rupees to over 1,000 crore rupees turnover. Our journey reflects the power of vision, dedication, and India-first manufacturing. Every milestone, from exports to global recognition, has been possible because of our relentless pursuit of excellence. Our team of over 300 skilled professionals ensures every project, big or small, is meticulously planned and executed. People are at the heart of our manufacturing excellence. Innovation drives everything we do. Our focus is on advanced PV module production, next-gen inverters, and integrated BESS systems. By 2026, Loom Solar will have a capacity of 1.2 gigawatts for solar panels, 1 gigawatt for inverters, delivering cutting-edge technology with precision and reliability.
So innovation is the core heart center of our company. In the past 8 years, you see a lot of products that we have launched for the first time in the country, which India has never seen before. So we are in 2026 now. If you look at our vision of 2030, our target is that we install solar modules, battery energy storage system, maybe more than 1 million homes across the country.
Our product portfolio includes Shark HJT and Topcon solar modules, Camel batteries, and Fusion inverters, all engineered for efficiency, reliability, and longevity. We have integrated facilities for PV modules, inverters, and storage systems. Every Loom Solar product is certified for quality and reliability. ALMM, BIS, IEC, ISO approved. Projects from rooftops to utility-scale plants up to 35 megawatts, including PM Kusum and PM Surya Ghar Yojana projects. Every large-scale project starts with meticulous planning to ensure timely and consistent execution, ensuring high success rates, on-time delivery, and exceptional execution, delivering trusted solar solutions across India. 6 regional warehouses located across key cities: Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Faridabad, supported by 15,000 plus dealers, 500 distributors, and dedicated service teams across India. Loom Solar has expanded its footprint beyond India, exporting to 11 countries across global markets, enabling one of the fastest delivery commitments in the industry, ensuring products reach partners and customers on time, every time. We are proud to have served over 1 lakh happy customers. Loom Solar, manufacturing India's solar future.